Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Mary. Morning. As you can see, we're having some storm here today. Looks really pretty. Buenos dias, Mariela. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Sandra. The rain today looks really pretty, but you know that sometimes during the rain, my internet connection is not ideal. So I hope it holds up for the duration of our practice. If it doesn't, then I'll see you tomorrow. But let's hope it all works out. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will be working with the third eye chakra. This chakra is called Ajna in Sanskrit, and it represents our archetypal identity, intuition, imagination, insight, perception, our right to see. In our endocrine system, it corresponds to the pituitary gland that plays a major role in regulating vital body functions and our general well-being. Pituitary gland is referred to as the body's master gland because it controls the activity of most other hormone-secreting glands. An unbalanced sixth chakra or third eye chakra can manifest as headaches, eyesight problems, sinus issues, mental exhaustion on the physical level, and on the emotional level, if our third eye chakra is not aligned very well, we're likely to be quite judgmental, to lack direction in life, to experience indecision, lack of life purpose. So let's begin our meditative visualization now. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Gently scanning your body, notice what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you right now? Bring your awareness to your breath and allow your breathing to be natural. Don't try to control it. Simply notice the rise and fall of your breath, the natural rhythm of it. Let yourself root down into the earth. Allow the earth to support you. And remember that this support is always there for you. It's just a matter of reminding yourself of it. Now bring your attention to the area between your eyebrows, your third eye. You may visualize a tiny pin of indigo color here, the color of the night sky. On your next breath, make this pin of indigo light grow to the size of a marble. And following your breath, little by little, allow this energy to expand and swirl around your entire body. Let this light bathe you. As you continue with this visual, tune into my words as I recite some common third eye chakra affirmations for you. As always, I invite you to repeat all of them or just some of them that resonate best with you. I listen to and follow my intuition. I understand my purpose. I trust in my deep inner wisdom. I am connected to my inner self. I value authenticity. I feel my connection to others. I radiate light. The beautiful energy of the indigo light still surrounds you all around your body. Allow yourself to absorb this energy. Get infused with it. The energy of mental clarity. Your deep inner wisdom. You understand the true meaning of each situation. You feel connected with your inner guidance. You choose to follow your intuition. You choose to be your authentic self. Bring your awareness back to the breath, to the natural rhythm, the natural rise and fall of your breathing. And now we're going to recite the mantra Om, O-M, 7 times. Om, 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 Om. Gently scan your body once again. Notice what's going on for you now, physically, emotionally, mentally. Is there any change between the beginning of our practice and this moment? How are you right now? As you go through your day today, remind yourself that you already know all the answers, that you have them within. It's just a matter of connecting to your inner self, to your wisdom, and allow yourself to follow your intuition without fear. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.